All right, hello everyone. My name is Landon Miles. I'm with Automox. At Automox, we do patching, IT automation, and endpoint management. We have a very large patching catalog of over 550 different third-party catalogs, third-party software titles that we patch, and those are real software titles. So it's not like version 1, version 1.1. They're real software titles out there. We also support Windows, Mac, and Linux, all three of those, so you can support, patch all of those from a single pane of glass dashboard. We have a very lightweight installation agent. The installer is around 5 megabytes and it takes very low memory usage. We're cloud-based, so it's as long as that agent is on your endpoints, your Windows, Mac, Linux endpoints, servers, laptops, workstations, whatever they are out there, you can connect with them. So all you need is an internet connection and you can talk back. You don't need any legacy on-site solutions, you don't need any VPNs. As long as that agent is on the device, you're good to control it, you're good to talk back and forth with it, patch it, configure it. So that's what Automox is. It's the endpoint management platform of kind of the modern IT era. So what we can do also is we have these things called worklets, which are PowerShell or Bash scripts, and within that we have a 350 plus worklet catalog of scripts that we've vetted, we've tested, that work for you, and you can use those. Or if it's not there, you can write one yourself. And the nice thing about that is you can deploy those to any endpoint in your dashboard. Groups of endpoints, certain endpoints, however you want to deploy it, you can do that. And it's a centralized repository, so you don't have to worry about code drift. Everything is centralized within the Automox console. We have our bread and butter is always patching. We're really great at that. That's what we love. OS patching, software patching. We mentioned those third-party software titles earlier. But if there's not one in there that you want to add, you know what? You can just add that installation file in there. You can deploy it that way. You can set up patch policies to do those things that you really don't like doing every day. So like keeping your web browsers up to date, that's a big one. There's a lot of vulnerabilities within the web browser. Maybe on your server you want to hold off some updates because it's a server, you don't want any downtime. But on your laptops in the field, let's go ahead and update those immediately. If there's a web browser vulnerability, you just push that out immediately. So that's what Automox does. We're patching, we're IT automation, configuration. You can configure anything you want with those worklets. And we have a device summary page also. You can drill down into each device. You can see the IP address, the host name, if it's compliant or not. You can get a lot of information about the CPU that's in there, the RAM, the hard drive usage. If you're running out of memory on something, you can call the employee and get something else. And even if something is not there for a long time, if a device hasn't checked in 3 weeks, that may be something you need to go check on. We're not an EDR. We think there's some really good EDRs out there on the market. So your Rapid7s, your Qualsys, CrowdStrikes, those are really good solutions. And we don't want to try to make one because we're really good at patching. So what we can do is integrate with those. So with Rapid7, we have a direct API connection. You can pull in those vulnerabilities, and instead of getting a sheet of everything you need to fix on your desk, you can pull that directly in to Automox and start patching immediately, and start patching those vulnerabilities immediately. With other ones, you can import CSV files. We have a lot of those mapped out already, or if you have a different one that's not, you can make a custom map of that. So that's Automox in a nutshell. Thank you so much for watching.